Launch a tech stack that sells, follows up, and books for you 24/7.
What if you had 10,149 leads to start your AI agency with? You'd skip the hardest part. Most people fail before they even begin because they have nobody to sell to. But you've got 10,149 decision makers sitting in your pipeline. That's not starting from scratch. That's starting from leverage. You could test fast. 10K leads means you can. Test 10 offers, try 20 angles, run 30 cold email variations. Get real feedback today. Instead of hoping something works, you test, track, tweak, and scale like a pro. You'd make money in week one. Let's say your offer is $1,000 and just 1% of those leads book a call. That's 101 calls. Close just 10% of those, boom, $10,000 collected. Week one, you could build systems instead of begging. Most agency owners are cold DMing strangers and chasing referrals. You're building onboarding flows, automated fulfillment, AI client dashboards. You're not hustling, you're building a machine. You'd have momentum, the number one success predictor. Leads give you confidence. Confidence gives you action. Action gives you momentum. Momentum makes you unstoppable. And that's why most people quit. They never get to feel it, but you're riding a rocket. So what's the play? If you've got 10,149 leads, build one irresistible offer. Automate your outreach, book your first 10 calls, close 2 to 3 clients. Use that money to automate everything, then scale, then hire, then exit. This is not a dream. This is your new starting line. I put together 10,149 leads for you. These are all med spa kind of related leads. And what you would do with those is cold email them every day using various different systems like Apollo is one of them. You can search that up. Apollo.ai is one of them. There's instantly.ai. Once you get into there is a couple other ones like Informail. These are all cold email platforms. They'll allow you to cold email all of these businesses every single day without getting spammed or flagged or anything like that. And then you can start selling AI services, really just trying to talk to them. I actually walk you through it all inside of my course area where I have tons of resources for you, which you can get access to in the link below in the description. Go to mikey.ai/system and you can get access to all of this. Inside of here is where you'll get access to the actual lead list, plus all my other trainings and all my bonus courses here that you'll get access to in my current promotion that's happening. To be able to get this going, I give you a bunch of information here on exactly how to cold email all of these actual leads and then what to actually say to them. And really, it's just simply businesses need to talk about AI to other AI professionals and figure out what they actually need in order to be able to start leveraging AI. So it's just going through here and emailing all of them. I have verified all of these leads personally. These are all in the United States. And again, they're all in the med spa kind of you can get access to all of them inside of my course area. You can get that going to mikey.ai/system. So these were all scraped through various different methods, which I'll get into in a lot more other videos, but there is a lot of really cool stuff that you want to be able to access inside of my course area that will help you be able to reach out to all of these individual businesses. And one of the biggest ones was, I'm trying to find it here. I think it was this one. Sorry, it's this one here, which is where you can actually get emails, which I created for you, which you can use to cold email people, to be able to start building an email list and following up. Basically, I try to make it to where it's as easy as possible for everybody to immediately start running an AI agency business. And that really comes from leads. You need to have leads, and then you need to have some sort of back-end system that allows you to follow up with those leads and be able to them and help them figure out what their problems are, and then be able to provide a solution for that. So head on over to my website, mikey.ai/system, and you can get access to all of this today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.
I'm with you until your AI agency is not just launch leg, it's unstoppable.
I'm with you until your AI agency is not just launched. I'm with you until you're unstoppable.